Due to the high nutritional content of radishes, consuming them on a daily basis can provide a number of health benefits. Because they are low in calories and high in fiber, radishes are an excellent option for individuals who are trying to keep their weight at a healthy level and support the health of their digestive system. Including radishes in your diet on a regular basis may provide you with the following potential benefits. First, it is abundant in nutrients. Vitamins C and K, potassium, folate, and fiber are some of the key nutrients that may be found in radishes. The maintenance of overall health, the support of the immune system, and the promotion of bone health will all benefit greatly from the consumption of these nutrients. The antioxidant properties of the compound. A number of antioxidants, including anthocyanins, quercetin, and catechin, can be found in abundance in radishes. It is possible that these substances will reduce oxidative stress and inflammation in the body since they help neutralize free radicals in the body. 3. Health of the digestive system. Radishes contain a high amount of fiber, which helps avoid constipation and encourages regular bowel movements throughout the body. Consuming an adequate amount of fiber is necessary for maintaining a healthy digestive tract. 4. Hydration refers to. As a result of their high water content, radishes are beneficial to one's fluid intake. It is essential to maintain proper hydration for a variety of biological activities, including digesting, maintaining healthy skin, and maintaining a healthy temperature. 5. In the management of weight. If you are trying to lose weight or manage your weight, including radishes in your diet can be a delicious and nutritious addition. Radishes have a low calorie count, but they are high in water and fiber content. 6. Guidelines for managing blood sugar. The results of several research indicate that specific compounds found in radishes may be able to assist in the regulation of blood sugar levels. As a result, radishes may be advantageous for persons who are currently suffering from diabetes or who are at risk of getting the condition. 7. Health of the heart. By assisting in the regulation of blood pressure, the potassium content of radishes is beneficial to the health of the heart. Furthermore, the addition of fiber and antioxidants may be beneficial to the health of the cardiovascular system. Radishes have a number of positive effects on one's health. Nonetheless, it is vital to consume a diet that is both well-balanced and diverse. Consuming a wide variety of fruits, vegetables, and other foods that are high in nutrients is essential to one's general health and well-being. Consultation with a healthcare expert or a certified dietitian is recommended in the event that you have specific health issues or conditions. This will allow you to receive individualized guidance.